Have you ever applied for a loan online and gotten frustrated by the endless paperwork? Traditionally, getting a loan meant faxing bank statements and waiting days for verification. But what if there was a faster, more secure way to share your financial information? That's where Flinks comes in. Flinks isn't a bank or a loan provider itself, but it plays a vital role in the world of online finance. Today, we're diving deep to understand how Flinks works and how it's transforming the way we manage our finances. The rise of open banking. Before Flinks, lenders relied on manual verification of financial documents, which was slow and prone to errors. But with the rise of open banking, things are changing. Open banking allows financial institutions to share your financial data with third-party applications, with your explicit consent, of course. This opens up a world of possibilities, including faster loan approvals, easier account switching, and even personalized financial products. So, how do Flinks fit in? Flinks is an open banking provider that acts as a secure bridge between you, your bank, and financial service companies. Here's how it works. Connecting the dots. Let's say you're applying for a loan online. The lender might use Flinks to connect with your bank account. Secure login. Through Flinks, you'll securely log into your bank's website using your usual login credentials. Don't worry, Flinks never stores your actual login information. Data sharing with consent. With your permission, Flinks retrieves your financial data directly from your bank's secure servers. This data could include your account balance, transaction history, and income information. Enriched insights. Flinks goes beyond just raw data. They can analyze your financial information to generate insights for lenders, helping them assess your creditworthiness and loan eligibility. Faster decisions. With your financial data readily available, lenders can make faster and more informed decisions about your loan application. This means you could get approved for a loan in minutes, not days. Benefits beyond loans. While loan applications are a common use case for Flinks, its reach extends far beyond that. Here are a few other ways Flinks is making waves in the financial world. Account aggregation. Flinks can connect you to all your financial accounts in one place, giving you a holistic view of your finances. Personal finance management. Financial apps can use Flinks to provide personalized budgeting and saving recommendations based on your spending habits. Faster bill payments. Imagine paying bills directly from your budgeting app without manually entering account details every time. Flinks can make this a reality. Security is paramount. Sharing your financial data might raise security concerns. Flinks understands this and prioritizes security at every step. They use bank-grade encryption to protect your information and comply with all relevant data privacy regulations. Additionally, you're always in control. You can choose what data you share and revoke access to your information at any time. Flinks, a stepping stone to a more connected financial future. Flinks is a prime example of how open banking is transforming the financial landscape. By enabling secure and efficient data sharing, Flinks is paving the way for faster, more convenient, and personalized financial experiences. With Flinks, you can say goodbye to the days of tedious paperwork and hello to a simpler, more streamlined way to manage your finances. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.